Anyway, so on the Freightliner, my windshield wiper fluid is not going on the window, so I just got myself new pump, just like so. And this pump also have a new screen filter, rubber seal, so all in one place, just like so. So it sucks the water from here, and this one goes to the windshield wipers. So I have currently the windshield washer fluid there. It's full, but it's not going anything. I checked for the actual fuses. I couldn't find the even fuse for it, so I'll get the pump out. I'll check for the wiring, I'll turn it on and I see if there is any volts go. But I think on my pump it's actually broken right here, because before the winter I think there was water there and it got frozen here and blew up and messed up the motor. Yeah, so the tools we need, it's a T40 star wrench, and there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 8 bolts to take out. Get the clip out from the motor and just pull out, and there is a hose right here. So it's supposed to be 10-minute job or so. Let's go ahead and finish it. Let's make the work faster. I'll cheat the system. Two. So that's why I said it's going to be 10-minute job. Oop. Just like so. Just like so. And I have a wiring under every side skirt, so I already got it off. Couple zip ties, and just slide it off. Just like so. And let's see our fuel pump. It's right here. Right here. So just pull out, everything will go down. So just wiggled, and as you can see, here is the actual pump. Here you go. Let's get this one off and this one off. Okay, so you should push it here and pull it, and over here just hold it and just wiggle it out, just like so. Let's put our brand new, wiggled in, Where is the wiring? Wiring right here. This is only one way. Click, and we're good to go. And let's just install it back. It's only one way. I'm doing this with only one hand, sorry. Wiggle inside. Something just like that. Okay. Looks like we're good to go. Okay, let's open hood and put some windshield washer fluid. This is the old pump. So I think it got broken somewhere here. Thread liner. So, windshield washer fluid right here. Okay, let's do half of it. Let's go ahead and test it. Okay, so guys, this was the install of this windshield washer. What is it? Windshield washer pump, I guess. Yeah, so as you saw in one shot, I made it basically right here. Let me make it better, brighter. Windshield washer fluid. Okay, let's finish to put a windshield washer right here. While you're here, just go ahead and check your all the hoses. You know, check your brakes. Just check everything. Just make sure it's good to go, you know, for your drive. Make sure your coolant is good. Just a little bit low of the minimum, but I think it's all right. Check if there is no water in the fuel. Check if everything is good. Like, shake your wheel. It doesn't have a big play. So check the filter. There is no debris or anything. Overall, just walk around. Always check seals if there is no leaks or anything. Yeah, we're good to go. So let's wrap it up, close everything, and we're gonna be good to go.